So friends, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be very special because in this video, I'm going to introduce all-in-one tool, which will now upscale your images with our new generative models in AI Image Upscaler and Enhancer. Denoise, deblur, upscale, and generate more details. AI Super Resolution takes your old and low-quality footage to new heights. Enhance blurry, noisy, grainy, and compressed videos with more details. Upscale videos by 400% and deliver natural HD/4K results. Get ready for videos that truly pop with clarity and detail. With the help of frame interpolation, you will be able to render video smoothly 30 frames per second to 480 frames per second. Restore face, colorize and upscale, remove background noise. And you will find many more tools in it. Let me show you the tool. Its name is VideoProc Converter AI. You will find the link in the description box, so let's get started. Sir, first of all, you have to download and install it on your PC by clicking download button here. So friends, this is VideoProc Converter AI. Here you will find tools like Super Resolution, Frame Interpolation, Image AI, Audio AI, and more. So first of all, let's start with Super Resolution and see how it works. For example, let's drag a video footage. You can see this video footage, which is of a little low quality. You will scale it with the help of your Super Resolution AI tool. And here, when you look on the right side, you will get some options like, here you have to select your device and select a model, like Gin Detail V2, Anime Style whatever, and check on High Quality mode and click on Enhance Video and enhance it. Let's skip the processing and let me show you the result. In this way, you can convert your video footages to high quality with the help of Super Resolution tools. Next tool is AI Frame Interpolation. This way you can easily convert videos from low FPS to high frame rates. For example, I will take a video footage and I will render it 30 frames per second to 90 frames per second. Here you will get some options like you can select FPS for your video footage. Select Insert Frames and Slow Motion and then simply click on Run. I skipped the processing and let me show you the result. So friends, this way you can generate new frames, convert low FPS to high FPS videos for more fluid motions, and create epic slow motions with AI-level smoothness. Next tool is Image AI Enhancer, optimized to enhance the intricate details in pictures of animals, plants, and more. After input your image here, you will get many options to enhance. Simply select device and AI model you like, and also select upscale or resolution. After doing this, simply click on Start. Let's skip the processing, and now you can see our low-quality image looking so beautiful after enhancing. This way, you can enhance anime cartoon pictures, optimized for real-world images, restore and retouch faces in photos, colorize monochrome photos, more details for animal pictures, upscale your AI arts. You will easily do this by using the Video Converter AI. Next tool is Audio AI for remove background noise from audio and video. Here, I will simply select the video footage, for example. Here you can see there is noise in our video footage.
It's raining very heavily here, due to which we are not able to go out of the house. You can hear the sound of rain here.
So to remove the noise from our video footage, we simply need to increase the noise attenuation limit, and now you can see the result.
It is raining very heavily here, due to which we are not able to go out of the house. You can hear the sound of rain here.
So friends, this way you can remove background noise from audio and video. Let's move on to our next tool is Video Converter, the complete video toolbox to cut, trim, merge, and edit videos. Convert or compress large 4K, 8K videos, HD, MKV, HEVC, MP4, and any other videos, ultra-fast with perfect size to quality ratio. With this, you can add video effects, subtitles, cut crop, and you can add watermark on your video footage. And this tool convert DVDs and enhance quality with VideoProc Converter AI. The DVD converter enables the one-to-one backup of any DVD to ISO, hard drive, and USB, and allows for ripping a DVD to MP4, MOV, MKV, MP3, and so on with the best quality and size. Convert and edit DVD to fit iPhone, iPad, Android, YouTube. 6 DVD backup options to provide original quality and fast speed. High-speed DVD copying with hardware acceleration. This is why this is an all-in-one tool. With this, you also get Recorder tool, where capture video from your computer screen and webcam, highlight and add voiceover during recording, set recording quality format, etc. Stabilization tool effectively minimizes camera shake in footage, enhancing video stability and visual appeal. You can tailor the cropping ratio, stabilization intensity, and processing speed to match various scenarios, ensuring your footage achieves its ideal quality. Let's talk about the pricing. Get VideoProc full license, 62% off. Get the lifetime full version today, save bigger, and instantly access all new AI tools. And there are holiday offers going on also. To join the giveaway, get instant discount. You will find the link in the description of VideoProc Converter AI.